Hello, I am Soundarya Preetha and I cover MSMEs for the Hindu from Coimbatore. It's more than 5 hours since the customary tabling of the Union Budget for 25-26 in the Parliament by the Finance Minister. Let's take a look at the allocations for the MSME sector and what are the consequences of the announcements. The budget points out that over 1 crore MSMEs that are registered on the Udyam portal employ about 7.5 crore people and contribute to 36% of manufacturing output and 45% of exports. One major move in the budget is a revision in the criteria for classification of MSMEs based on turnover and investment. According to the new guidelines, units that have maximum 2.5 crore investment and annual turnover of 10 crores will be micro industries. Those with up to 25 crore investment and 100 crore annual turnover will be small scale industries, and industries that have maximum 125 crore investment and 500 crores annual turnover will be medium scale industries. The budget has also announced setting up of a national manufacturing mission covering small, medium and large scale industries to further the Make in India initiative. This mission will provide policy support, execution guidelines and governance and implementation framework for the central ministries and states. To improve access to credit for MSMEs, the government will enhance the credit guarantee cover from rupees 5 crores to rupees 10 crores for the micro and small scale enterprises, and this will lead to additional credit of rupees 1.5 lakh crores in the next 5 years. The credit guarantee cover will be available up to rupees 20 crores for well-run MSME exporter units. The government will also launch credit cards for micro enterprises up to rupees 5 lakh limit, and these will be for units that are registered on the Udyam portal. In the first year, about 10 lakh cards will be distributed. The overall budget outlay for the MSME sector will see 33.8% increase from rupees 17,300 crores in the revised estimate of the last budget to almost rupees 23,100 crores in the current budget. The PM Vishwakarma scheme and the RAMP scheme will see significant hike in allocations. I will be writing about this, analyzing the budgetary allocations a bit more closely and comparing it with previous year estimates. Do follow the Hindu online or in print for more. Bye for now.